Alright guys, we're out here at the next job, and this looks like to me that it just need to backfill some dirt there. I don't know. I guess there is a little bit of that asphalt there, but I don't know how you can blame him. I'll let them know. Make them come out and fill this back with dirt, build it back, you know, build it back up. But anyway, there's my heat pump there. It's a Bova 36 HDN1 M15G. Now I know I said I wasn't going to put any more of these 15s in, but it's all I could really get for 410A. And you know, they can't all be bad. So all right, let's go see what I got in the truck.